Welcome. The last time I had a little bit of accident upgrading my clutch, so today I'm going to fix it with a new clutch basket. Yeah, it's inside. So now the bike has been sitting for maybe 2 months. Okay, yeah, here you can see the bolts that were ruined. In the instructions for this, it say to tighten them, if I remember correctly now, 12 Newton. But if you have a look in the instructions for the 450 R and RX with the same clutch, they tell you to only tighten 10. So probably the instructions are wrong. Instructions. I still okay. See, but the brake is not activated now. Not enough. Stop! Ah, fuck! My foot gets stuck there. Okay. Det går fan inte. Ah! Oh! Finally. This one you replace. Okay. Remember, there is one washer. Okay, you go out. So if the bolt pieces from the bolt fall inside, I should see them here, because the bike has not been used, it's only been pushed over to the corner. Clean it out with some paper, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so here we have the new one. Oh. Okay, so they want 80. Ah, 80. Okay, I guess this is the top one because I put it in a separate bag. I removed the judder spring from this bike. Maybe I will add some engine oil to the new basket. There, some oil. You just put them where they fit. Okay, and then we have the special one. But this one, by some strange reason, they want you to go one over like this. And I have no clue why. I see other YouTubers install it the same as the other discs, because you know it's in the end here. I don't know why. Install clutch DC by aligning its tabs with the shallow slots. And the shallow slots are these ones. Bottom. Bottom. Because the instructions tell for several passes. We can soon have the first ride of spring. And with goggling time, this was a 2-hour job. Can probably be done in 1 hour. Okay, finished. Let's go for a test ride.